Hey, how you doing? Austin here. This is a Shiba Inu update video. Got a few interesting things to show you and really talk to you. Specifically, I want to show you guys my TradingView.com chart that I've had been running now for, excuse me, my nose itches. Shocker, when I go on video, my nose itches. This is a TradingView chart that is going to show you some interesting things. We are breaking out. It's really, really cool. So I keep these charts, I write on them and I keep them as far as kind of an ongoing commentary for you guys. So I was really, really surprised in a positive way when I woke up after doing video at midnight last night to what the latest is for Shiba to this chart and the pattern that it's presenting and what the potential is from here. So that's really what we're going to talk about in this particular video. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only, and I'm not a financial advisor. All right, let's go take a look at what is going on with Shiba Inu. So as you can see, we are still sitting in the 9 in the million spot. We're up 1.42%. I want to show you last night at midnight, I did break this news on my channel, and it's this post right here. This is on the SHIB Army Reddit forum. It says, it's complete. Satoshi is already using Shiba Swap. This is their exchange. Okay, I'm going to show you this. It's real hard to do. Let me zoom in on this. Let's see if I can get this. Hold on just a minute. Let me get this for you. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm zooming in on this. Really, the screen capture was not very good. Okay, so what this says is, this is from Satoshi. Satoshi, it is complete and working right now. I'm collecting tokens on test networks right now. Okay, so this is specifically related to Shiba Swap Exchange, okay, and the fact that Satoshi has come out and said it's complete and that they are in testing phase now, okay. In case you missed that piece of information last night, that is something that is a pretty major development that I talked about in my midnight video last night for Shiba. Okay, just FYI. Okay, so I want to let you guys know that in case you missed that. It's pretty darn cool. It would seem as though it is on its way. Okay. All right, so kind of going back over here, looking at overall Shiba, that's what we kind of look at. That's what we're looking at right now. If you want to look at the overall market, guys, it's flat. There's really not a heck of a lot going on right now. I've got another chart over on digital coin price where, you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum are down right now just a little bit in the last hour or so. Coin market cap shows 24 hour and 7 days, and digital coin price shows hour and 24 hours. So I tend to swap back and forth and kind of overall look. So right now the overall market's flat. Dogecoin is up overall in the last 7 days. It's a little flat today as well. The reason I bring up Dogecoin is Dogecoin and Shiba kind of tend a little bit to move with each other. Now, of course, Dogecoin had an amazing last 30 hours with with Coinbase bringing Dogecoin onto Coinbase Pro, etc. Okay. So let's quickly shift over, and I want to show you this TradingView chart. Okay, so what you see here, let me walk you through what this is in case you're new to this or kind of haven't seen this. What you see is a flag pattern starting to develop, or they also call it a pennant pattern or a bull flag, but I just call it a flag pattern. So what you do is when you start to see these patterns developing, okay, you take the lowest point right here and you draw the pole of the flag, and you draw it up basically to where your top point is at that point, and then you draw the top of the flag out from there. And this is after it starts to present a few of these candlesticks, by the way. That becomes your resistance line. Okay, the bottom line is your support line, and where you draw that line is where the candlesticks have kind of touched and then bounced back up. Okay, so let me show you this real quickly. So all of this was not here last night, okay? So let me show you what happened. All right, so last night I did my midnight video. I said, hey, there's a new flag pattern presenting itself. We've got support where we've hit the support line and bounced back up. So our support line is that 931 level right now. And so again, right now we're at 9728, okay? So that's our support line, and see we hit and bounce. Now, when you see, just FYI, you see how the candlestick is kind of long right here, and then you see these little, like right here, you see the candlestick, and then you see that little wick Well, the wick line, the candlestick is where the bulk of the trading happened in that given period, and the little wick line is like where it jumped up to or jumped down to, respectively, depending on what you're looking at. So it might have jumped up to that and come back down. You can see like right here, we had a major wick right here, and we jumped up to 1048, where the 1 is in the 100,000 spot. Okay, so again, what happens is that you start to see these resistance levels. So where it's hits resistance and it bounces back, right? Then backs down. Sorry, I sneezed. Bounces back down to your support level. Comes back up. Boom. We jump up to hit our resistance level. Kind of come back down. Support. Resistance. Boom. And then what happened right here is that we broke through and broke out of our flag pattern. This is a positive thing, obviously, okay? And so what we've got here now, guys, is that we've got higher highs and higher lows, okay? It's starting to create a brand new pattern, but we broke out of it because usually what can happen is that anytime it starts to kind of get mid-flag or somewhere in here, it either does one of two things. It either continues to kind of channel in here. That's what all these squiggly lines are that you see here, and it will either go down or it'll go up, obviously, okay? But what we had was we had a major breakout up here, right? Okay, and so we've got higher highs and higher lows. Now it did peak up, and now it's kind of moving back down. So the key I want you to remember is higher highs and higher lows, which is a good thing. Okay, we're continuing to kind of trend upwards. Okay, we'll continue to watch it, guys, as I will. I'm going to leave all this here. Okay, so we'll continue to watch how this trades, how this continues to trade over the rest of today into tomorrow, etc. We'll see how it all flows. But right now, this is looking good. Okay, this is on a 1 hour time frame, by the way. That's how I keep it. So these are, each candlestick is an hour. Okay, so 1 hour, it's kind of, you can see boom, 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 jumped up. We hit a high, a little bit below our high back here. We hit a high here of 1037, just peaked back down. Okay, and now we're continuing to kind of roll forward. We'll see how this continues to develop. I think it's an interesting scenario just to kind of see what it overall looks like. I wasn't going to make you guys a SHIB video this morning, but when I saw this, when I woke up and I saw this pattern developing, I'm like, I have to make a video just on this so that you guys kind of understand what is happening here from a kind of a real simple technical analysis scenario that is presenting a really interesting pattern. Now, what we'll see here is let me show you this real quickly. And see, like right here, right there where those two touches are, what we'll see is, and I'm going to leave this here, is that our new support level. Okay, so it looks like 962 might be our new support level if this bounce right here, if we bounce back up. Okay, so I'm going to leave this line here. We'll continue to see how it develops. But this could be our new support level right here because see, we had one touch here, right? You have to have 2 points. We have and then you have another point right here. Actually, I should be a little bit lower, but you get my point. I didn't quite see that one. But this could be our new support level. So what will happen is we'll see we could have the beginning of another flag pattern if we get some more movement right in here. Okay, we'll see how that plays out. It's really interesting to watch. This is kind of cool, and we'll see continue just to overall see how it continues to flow. But it looks really good right now. Let me refresh this a little bit. See, we're up 1.44%. That's how it rolls. When I go on video, we always go up. By the way, I don't talk about this a lot. We're on 885,000 plus watch list. That's crazy. Okay, let's see if we're still the most viewed token out there. Nope, Jindo Inu is jumped over us. Okay, so that may be one you guys might want to go check out. It's been kind of on my radar a little bit. Last 24 hours, it's up 138%. This guy's brand new. I think he's kind of a spin-off coin of Shiba. So you guys let me know in the comments below if you want me to bring you guys a video on Jindo Inu. Okay, all right, guys. I'll see you later. Be safe. Make more money tomorrow than you did today. Take it easy. Bye.